Hey everybody, who doesn't love a family vacation? There are many reasons why it is important to take a family vacation. Today I'm going to be talking about the reasons it's important to take a family vacation. There are many reasons, but on this slide I only listed 3 just to keep it short and sweet. There are endless reasons why it's important to take a family vacation. I'm actually on vacation right now. If you can't see the beach behind me, it is my happy place. My family loves to come here every year. We look forward to it every year. We come the same time every year. We just know this is when we're coming to the beach. And it creates lasting memories. We always have a great time. We always create memories, relive memories. This time last year is when me and my fiance got engaged right down there on this beach, just right down the walkway. It is very sentimental. It always creates memories. People love to come back. And it also brings the family closer. Our family is very close. We're a very tight-knit family, but vacations do help. We always try to take as many as we can. We just grow closer together as a family when we take vacations. It also helps your body to relax. I've slept a lot on this vacation. I obviously needed some sleep that I didn't know I needed, so it helps you to relax. It helps you to get your mind off your problems, get away for a little while, and just spend time with your family and even friends. This time we had a couple of friends come with us on this vacation, and it's good to bring friends. It's good to take as many people as you can and just go have a good time. And anybody can take a family vacation. I know a lot of people think, oh, it's too expensive, or we can't go there, or we don't have time, or we don't have money. And you do. You can make time. There is always time to take a family vacation. Everybody has time off from work. So that's not a problem most of the time. And my sister-in-law only had 6 days this year, but she took 5 of them when we went to Disney back in March, and she took 1 day and they came for a long weekend. So you can make it work. Sometimes it's harder than others, but it can be done. And no vacation is too expensive. We come here to the beach. It's not that expensive. You can go stay in a hotel room for a lot cheaper than where we're staying. And that's fine too. You'll still have the best time. You'll still enjoy each other. Even if you are in a hotel room, it doesn't matter where you are. There are plenty of less expensive options. You can go camping. You can go camping for $80 a night. It's very cheap. It doesn't have to be long. It can just be a couple of nights, but it's still good to take a vacation. And you can't put a price on the memories. We go somewhere every year, and we never say, hey, wish I would have done with this money, I wish I would have done this, or I wish I would have done that. You don't say that. I mean, you're glad when you spend the money afterwards. Sometimes it's hard, but you can't put a price on those memories. I mean, one day you'll look back and say, I'm glad we did that. And you'll be pleased with wherever you go. You won't be upset that you decided to go to the beach and stay in a hotel room instead of staying at the most expensive condo, because you're still going to have those memories. You're still going to have a great time no matter where you are. And then how often do you take a family vacation? It's proven that a vacation once a year is good for the family. It says, according to Gregory, there have been recent studies that have shown that strong relationships are built when families go on vacation, and that's usually reoccurring vacations. If you go once a year or even once every 2 years, you have something to look forward to. Our bodies like something to look forward to. It gets you excited. It gets you excited to go. And it's good to take one once a year. And according to Darko and Petrick, vacations taken by families improve communications within these members. You have to talk to each other. You're not on your cell phone. You're not, one person's at work, one person's at home, or one's at another job. You're there together, and you have to talk, and you have to build those communications. And the more often you do that, the better it is for your family and for the relationship. So go as much as possible. And try new places. We love to try new places. We don't go out of the country often, but it is good to do that, learn new culture. It's also educational for the kids. Most people think it's a pain, and they don't want to take the kids because they're just not well behaved, or they're going to be trouble, or it's not going to be enjoyable, when that's not the case. It's very educational. They learn how to read a map. If you take a road trip and you drive somewhere, teach them how to read the map. Tell them to tell you where to go if they're appropriate age to do that. And it's also time planning. If you say, hey, we're going to be in the car for 12 hours, so they can gauge how long that 12 hours is and learn time planning. It also teaches them patience. It's something we all struggle with even as adults, but it does teach them patience to know that, hey, in 2 months we're going on vacation, and they have to wait those 2 months. But however you do it, it teaches you patience, whether in the car or beforehand or during or any time on vacation. It also teaches them a sense of direction. They learn how to navigate through places. They learn where they're going, if they're going north, south, east, or west. You can make it as educational or as less educational as you would like. It's also, when you go somewhere on a destination, that can be educational. If you go out of the country or if you go wherever you go, the destination can also be educational. And according to the Center of Parenting Education, by taking their children for trips, parents can teach their kids parenting duties. You can also teach, like I said, teach them how to read a map, teach them how to get you where you're supposed to go. It's very educational. And also navigating an airport. Most people don't think about this. Now, flying can be expensive, but it also is very educational. You can teach your kids how to navigate through an airport. You never know when they're going to have to fly. It could also be a career that they may want to choose one day. So navigating an airport is also very important. This probably can't be done as much as driving because it is more expensive, but it's also a great alternative. I hope this speech was very informative on why it's important to take a family vacation. I can't stress it enough. We love our family vacations, and I hope you'll consider it and have reoccurring family vacations. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.